Welcome this video. Enhance your patio. Create plants idea for stream outdoor space. A patio is more than just an outdoor space. It's canvas for create and relax. Whether you have a strolling gardening patio or a cozy balcony, plants are effect to bring life and vibrant to your outdoor area. Choose the right plants pot can transforming your plants into lush oases, add color textile and framing to enhance your outdoor experience. In the we explored create patio plants idea that can to various style space and plants perfect from sleep modern design to rustic charm. Those plants here are even test and build lush dwight discover how to you can elevate your patio with those inspired plants pot idea. Take plants from various interior. Plants are excellent from mix various space, make theme idea for smart plant patio or balcony. Then allow you to grow multi plants in a contact foot again, create a lush and layout look. Choose from material wood or slab, create pot for a customized plant pot that sub your patio aesthetic and restrict bed plants From easy gardening, rustic bed, pot are perfect of grow hard vegetable from flowers right on your patio. Then provide excellent or max promotion health plants gardening choose the right of size shape to fix your plant's layout whether it's affluent bed for a modern look or cozy bed more original feel. Various wall plants for space effect. Various wall plants are a great space save salt for patio with limited floor space. Install then again a wall or fence to create a living gardening wall. Use a various of plants like field hub for a lush and textile deep back deep window box plant or cooked jar. Window box plants or cooked charm to any party or resisting maximize gardening then can be modern being help or among plants vibrant food like from a belt of color and hub from a multifunctionally decoration display. Fiberglass plant pot or for lightweight disability. Fiberglass plants or lightweight yacht make them easy to remove area your patio will withstand. Then the element available in a range of shape and finish from slab back of glass. Fiberglass plant often versatile and style from modern layout space. Concrete plants from contemporary elegant. Concrete plants add contemporary elements with those clean line and maximize design. Those study constraint are perfect, realistic, or smart tree add a touch of sophistication to your patio while complement modern aesthetic and decor. Task wood plants of natural beauty. Task wood plants bring a warning natural beauty to your patio with their rich hub and plots. Now, from their durability and weather resistant task plants again graceful over time enhance the charm of your outdoor space while vibrant or sturdy house from your plant. Geometric plants from modern sophistication. Geometric plants add a touch of modern sophistication. Add to your patio with their clean line and geometric shape. Choose from hub in material like metal or concrete from a temperament turn your quality gardening. Most cover plants of woodline functional. Most cover plants bring to touch of woodline functional to your patio create magic and wash atmosphere